In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add clickable links to your YouTube videos. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys! So let's get started, and first off we need to copy some link to our clipboard. To do that, I'm gonna use Instagram. Let's say I want to add clickable link to my Instagram profile to YouTube video. So I can just copy the link, and once you have copied the link, you can open up YouTube app, and after you are logged in, tap right here at library, then tap at your videos. Then choose a video and tap at the three dots next to it and select edit. Then tap at description, and here we can edit description for that video. All we have to do in order to add clickable links here is just paste it, just like that. The key here that we need to enter https:// before our URL to make this URL clickable. Then we can go out of here, and then to save the changes, don't forget to hit add save. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.